So in this problem, you have to solve for positive integer of a, b, c. So the equation is a plus b plus c is equals to product of a, b, c. So you have one equation and three unknown. How will you solve this problem? Now these kinds of problems generally solved using inequalities. So what we do is we convert equation in terms of inequality and then we limit the solution. So let us try to limit the solution, but before that, since these are positive integers, so we know that a is greater than or equal to 1 and b is greater than or equal to 1 and c is greater than or equal to 1 because they are positive integers. Solutions are positive integers. And now to convert into inequality, we have to fix some kind of order. That is, let us say we assume that, so in this case we are assuming that c is the largest number, that is c is greater than b and b is greater than a, and we know all number is greater than or equal to 1. Now let us consider this number, that is a plus b plus c. What will be the maximum value of this number? Remember, the c is the largest number, c is the biggest number. So what will be the maximum value of this term? So the maximum value will be, in place of c I can put c. What will the maximum value of b? The maximum value of b will be c, because you see c is greater than or equal to b. So when inequality gets converted into equality, so maximum value of b will be c, because c is the largest number. So I can write this as c. What about a? Now this can also occur when, because we know b is greater than a, so maximum value of a can be equal to b. But we know that maximum value of b is c, so maximum value of a will also be equal to c. So this means now I can say this term a plus b plus c, maximum value will be 3c. So if this is the maximum value, this means this quantity a plus b plus c has to be less than 3c. So this is one condition. Now let us see minimum value of a plus c, a plus b plus c. Now using the same logic, you can find what will be the minimum value. Now in this case, a is the smallest number. A is the smallest number. So let us say we have a here and plus. So what will be the minimum value of b? B is, you see here, b is greater than or equal to a. This means minimum value of b will be a. So this b is also a. What about c? C will also be a. Minimum value of c will also be a. Using the same logic. So this means this expression minimum value is 3a. This means this term is greater than 3a, greater than or equal to. Because this is the minimum value. So it has to be greater than minimum value. So these two conditions I got. One is for minimum value, another is for maximum value. And I will use this condition to further simplify. So let us consider two cases. The first case, so this is case 1, and this will correspond to this condition, that is minimum value. So in this case, what you have? You have a plus b plus c is greater than or equal to 3a. But we know from the equation that is a plus b plus c is equals to abc. You see this equation. It is given that a plus b plus c is equals to abc. So now I can replace a plus b plus c with abc. So if I replace with abc, I will have abc is greater than or equal to 3a. Now if I cancel a, then bc is greater than or equal to 3. So now in this case, what you have? You have bc is greater than or equal to 3. So this means there are infinite number of solutions. Number b multiplied by number c is greater than 3. So there are infinite possibility. So in this case, there are unlimited solution. So we will not explore this case because in this case, we will have unlimited solution. Many solutions will exist in this case. So we will stop this case here and we will not find any solution using this case. Now let us discuss other case, that is maximum case. In this case, that is case 2. So let us call this as case 2. So in this case, the condition is a plus b plus c is less than equal to 3c. So this condition. Now once you know that a plus b plus c basically equals to abc. So I can write this is ABC. So this means ABC is equals to, not equals to, less than equal to 3C. And C gets cancelled. Then you will have AB is less than equal to 3. And you see, A, B, C are positive integers. And multiplication is less than 3. So this means you are looking for numbers, limited number of solution, because it cannot be negative, because all numbers are greater than 0. In fact, they are greater than 1, greater than equal to 1, positive integers. So in this case, we have limited number of solution. So we will have limited number of solution and we can find these solution, limited number of solution. So what are the possibility we can have? AB is less than equals to 3. This means 3 possibility. You can have AB is equals to 3, or you can have AB is equals to 2, or you can have AB is equals to 1. Now we will explore these 3 possibility one by one. So let us say case 1. In this case you have AB is equals to 3. Now product of two number is 3. So we can have 1 into 3 or 3 into 1. So let us first consider 1 into 3. Basically 3 into 1 is not possible because we know that B is greater than A. In this condition what we have, B is greater than A. So 3 into 1 is not possible. So this is not a possible solution. So we have only one possibility, 1 into 3. So in this case what we will have A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 3. Then what will we see? So you can use the original equation, that is A plus B plus C is equals to ABC. This means A is equals to 1, B is equals to 3 plus C is equals to 1 into 3 into C. So from here you can say that 4 plus C, so this is 4 plus C is equals to 3C. So this means 4 is equals to 2C. This means C is equals to 2. So in this case you got a solution, that is A is equals to 1, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 2. Now let us discuss the next case, that is you can have multiplication is 2, that is A times B is equals to 2. Now again there are two possibilities. This can be 1 and this can be 2, or this can be 2, this can be 1. But one possibility is ruled out because A is the smallest number. It cannot be greater than B. In this case, if you see this case, A is 2 and B is 1. So A cannot be greater than B. So this possibility is ruled out. So we have only one possibility. In this case, what we will have A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2. Now solve for C using this equation, original equation. This is equals to A, B, C. So now what we will have, A is equals to 1 and B is equals to 2 plus C is equals to 1 into 2 into C. So 3 plus C is equals to 2C. This means C is equals to 3. So this implies we will have from here C is equals to 3. Now let us consider the third case. That is product is 1. That is A times B is equals to 1. So this is possible only if A is 1 and B is also 1. So now use this. So I have A is 1 and B is equals to 1. And let us find C using this equation. A plus B plus C is equals to ABC. So this is equals to ABC. So this means A plus B is 2. 2 plus C is equals to C, which is not possible. We cannot have 2 plus C is equals to C. So this means no solution in this case. No solution. Now let us find how many solutions we have. In this case, we have A is equals to 1, this solution. A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2 and C is equals to 3. So one solution we have. So A, B, C pair of solutions. So one solution is 1, 2, 3. Do we have any other solution? So let us check. We solve this case. In this case, A is equals to 1, B is equals to 3 and C is equals to 2. But C is the biggest number, largest number. In this case, C is equals to 2, which is smaller than B, which is 3. So this is also not possible. So this case is also not possible. So in this case, we have only one solution. That is A, B, C is equals to 1, 2, 3. Now see, we have made the assumption that is C is greater than B is greater than A. But this assumption can now be relaxed. We can have 6 situations. And among all these situations, we will get the same numbers 1, 2, 3. Simply order will change. So we will have 6 solutions. So what are these solutions? So we will have 6 solutions. And what are they? So they will be 1, 2, 3. Change the order. 1, 3, 2. And then keep 2 at first position. So 2, 3, 1. Change the order. We will have 2, 1, 3. And then keep the 3 at first position. 3, 1, 2. And you can have 3, 2, 1. So there are 6 solutions that is possible in this case. So this was a really wonderful problem and I hope you enjoyed this problem. And if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.